Let me ask you something. Are you tired of watching your account slowly bleed out trade after trade? Today, we're going to fix that. I'm breaking down why most traders lose money, and more importantly, how you can build a real edge to turn that around. If you're ready to stop gambling and start trading like a professional, this episode is your blueprint. Here's the hard truth. Most traders don't lose money because of their strategy. They lose because they never actually had an edge. They trade random setups, they size up emotionally, they chase every green candle like it owes them money. Without an edge, you're just throwing darts at a moving target, blindfolded. So what exactly is an edge in trading? It's a term you'll hear often, but let's break it down. An edge is a repeatable pattern or condition in the market where you have a statistical or behavioral advantage over others. It's something you can identify and rely on, not just a hunch or a feeling. This edge could come from a specific chart setup, a certain time of day when the market behaves predictably, a unique volume pattern, or even how prices react to breaking news events. It's not just about buy low, sell high. It's about having a clear plan. I buy this when these exact conditions line up because I know the odds are in my favor. Professional traders know exactly what they're looking for before they even sit down at their desks. They've done their homework, and they're prepared. They're not just hoping for luck or making random guesses, they're hunting for opportunities, using their edge to make consistent, informed decisions in the market. Alright, let's break it down, step by step. Building your edge as a trader isn't about luck or guessing. It's about having a repeatable process you can trust, even when things get tough. So let's get into the details. Step 1. Journal every single trade you make, no matter how small or insignificant it seems. This is your foundation. Track your entry, exit, setup, time, and outcome for each trade. The more details you capture, the more you'll learn about your own habits and tendencies. And hey, don't just record the numbers. Write down what you saw in the market and, just as importantly, what you felt in the moment. Emotions play a huge role in trading, so be honest with yourself. Over time, patterns will start to reveal themselves. You'll notice certain setups or behaviors that keep showing up. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. Step 2. Backtest or review screenshots of your trades. Go back and study what worked and what didn't. This is how you separate luck from skill. Screenshot every setup, especially the good ones, but don't ignore the losers. Both are valuable for learning. Build a library of those high-probability looks. Over time, this collection becomes your personal playbook, unique to your style and strengths. Remember, your edge is personal. Find what works for you, not just what's popular on Twitter or in chat rooms. What fits your personality and schedule? Step 3. Define your entry and exit rules. Where's your trigger? Where's your stop? Be specific. Vague rules lead to vague results. And, where are you scaling out? Decide in advance how you'll manage your position as the trade develops. Step 4. Track your win rate and your risk-to-reward ratio. These numbers tell you if your edge is real or just wishful thinking. You don't need to win 70% of the time. In fact, most pros don't. Consistency and discipline matter more. But you do need setups where your winners are bigger than your losers. That's how you stay profitable, even with a lower win rate. That's edge. That's math. Build your process, trust it, and let the numbers work for you. That's how you grow as a trader. Let's talk about where your edge goes to die. Oversizing when you're emotional, breaking rules after one loss, taking trades out of boredom, not adapting to volatility. Even with an edge, if your execution sucks, you'll bleed. Discipline is the guardrail that keeps your edge on the road. Let me show you what a real edge sounds like. I only trade the open between 9:30 and 10:30. I look for small caps breaking VWAP with volume greater than 500,000. If the 1 minute and 5 minute align, I enter with a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward target. If it breaks trend, I'm out, no hesitation. Now that is an edge. That's a plan, not a prayer. If you've been losing money in the markets, don't give up just yet. Every successful trader has faced setbacks, but the key is to learn from them, not to walk away. Instead of quitting, focus on fixing your foundation. Start by journaling every trade you make. Record your thoughts, your reasons, and your emotions. This is where real growth begins. Track your winners and your losers in detail. Analyze what worked and what didn't. Over time, you'll start to see patterns emerge. This is how you define your edge, by understanding your strengths and weaknesses, and refining your strategy with every trade. Stick to your process with discipline, as if your financial future depends on it, because it truly does. Consistency is what separates amateurs from professionals. Comment below and share. What's your number one trading weakness right now? Is it discipline, patience, or maybe sticking to your plan when emotions run high? Are you constantly hunting for the perfect setup, or do emotions get the best of you after a loss? Let's open up the conversation and help each other grow. If this video helped shift your mindset, give it a like and subscribe. Join our community to keep stacking proven strategies and building your trading skills with every episode in this playlist. Up next, how you can master day trading, discover pro strategies for consistent profits and take your trading to the next level.